Michigan Motorsports started with one simple goal: to get high-quality parts in the hands of drivers fast.
From the weekend warriors to the complete race builds, we're in the game because we live it. Whether it's launching hard at the drag strip, kicking it out sideways in drift cars, or pushing the limits on the street, Michigan Motorsports delivers the performance parts you need.
We saw a problem: parts taking too long to get to drivers. So we built a system that cut down on wait times, getting you what you want when you need it fast. We're stocked up and shipping daily. Whether you're working in the shop or racing at the track, we'll get you your parts where you need them fast.
We're more than just parts. We're drivers just like you. Michigan Motorsports is your one-stop shop for all things LS and LT.
Welcome to Michigan Motorsports, your LS and LT parts specialist.